Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you get notified every time I post a new video. Today's video is more so a conversation than a makeup tutorial. We all at this point have obscene amount of videos on how to do your makeup, but today I just want to vibe and actually spark a conversation. I genuinely still love makeup, so I want to share some of my creativity and want an outlet for it. But I also have a lot to say, a lot of things on my mind that I feel like there's many of you who watch my videos that might feel the same. This year has been my burnout year. This is the longest I've been burnt out. Trying to find motivation, trying to be productive has not been my strongest suit, even though I do have the desire for it, but it's not as strong as I would like. I feel like so much has happened where I'm questioning my next move, I'm questioning my purpose, that genuinely I feel unfulfilled. I feel unfulfilled, and I have no idea, no clue how to feel like I have purpose again. And it's not to say that I don't value myself or I'm sad about myself. This unfulfillment that I feel, it's not necessarily me being depressed, but more so having other reasons to keep moving forward with what I desire in life. I feel like I gave this one particular thing my all for 6 years, and the fact it didn't work out the way I wanted it and I lost love for it has left me stranded in a way. I feel betrayed by this set idea I thought I was going to achieve. I feel misplaced. And quite frankly, I don't know what to do. So I've given myself a grace period to be stagnant in a way and process these feelings and process where I am and allow myself to feel burnt out, because I've never given myself that grace, nor has life with a lot of challenges have given me the grace to do so. So for the span of 8 to 9 months, I've taken everything slowly and just did everything based on how I felt rather than making myself feel obligated. Now, that's not to say that I haven't done anything for 9 months. That's not to say that I haven't worked or done anything. That is not the case. What I mean by allow myself to be burnt out is basically having at least one thing checked off my list for the day. I have not necessarily been the most productive when it comes to things I desire or goals I've set for myself. I've been very inconsistent, but I'm getting to the point where I'm tired of being burnt out. I think I'm starting to feel the reasons why I should push and create new dreams that I want to achieve. I'm only 26 going on 27, but truly this has been a midlife or quarter life crisis that has been beating my butt, because truly I feel unfulfilled. I see my peers surpassing me in different aspects that I would like to share in that space as well. But then there's a part of me is like, do I really want that, or is it because I see people there? I've learned that truly I really fell in love with my space and my time. And I realized that I don't want to be so much of a busybody, and maybe an overly active life is just not for me. It gives me so much anxiety because something I once was able to juggle, I cannot juggle anymore. I am not as multifaceted as I assumed that I was. Nor can I juggle 2-3 things anymore. And this is just me being honest. Now it's time to face, okay, this is where you are in life. I'm technically 3 years from 30. I'm going to turn 27. Where do I go from here? And now it's time to set a new 5-year plan to get my butt up and feel motivated again. So I've truly been asking myself, what do I want? Where do I want to go? Where do I want my life to be? And it's so crazy because when you're in high school and you are faced into entering adulthood, you kind of have an idea of what you want. And when you come up with this idea, it feels like, okay, this is it. This is my answer. This is all I have to focus on. And then everything will be fine when I've achieved the max of my goals. But this quarterly life crisis, y'all, I've accomplished a lot of what I set myself to do after high school. But now I want a newfound goal. I have new interests, new hobbies that I didn't foresee my life having. I didn't foresee myself having. And my vision is shifting. I am tired of feeling unfulfilled, and I'm tired of being burnt out. So, with these get ready with me videos and these makeup videos, I want to incorporate more discussions, and I will have chit chat videos, but comment down below if you feel the same. Tell me if you're vibing with this, kind of like a podcast style. And let's just talk, because our challenges are quite different than our parents. And this is the first time we're going through this type of trivial experience, a very turbulent experience. And it feels good when we've acknowledged that more than one of us are feeling this way, that we can support each other to get through it, and that there's nothing wrong with getting to a point that you feel unfulfilled, because the best thing about it is we can change that.
We had our downs, but we had way more love. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. On my mind, for you, we be richest in this fucking world. We be so comfortable, girl. It's only you for me. No lie, I'm tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. was wondering if you always known.